we're on day 20 of the flip. We got some great things in today. One of them being 24-inch Sabelli's pizza. Perfect crust, which also brings sister-in-law and brother. So we got Alicia and Glenn here again today, and we are putting in some work. Today's our first day back in Germany. Jessica spent 2 weeks in Germany. I spent a week in Germany. She was over there working, and then we got to travel around and see some of the sites, which was cool, but we were very anxious to get back. So we just got back this morning, and we're already back here working tonight, and we're doing a couple things. So we've got Alicia coming out and re-priming all these cabinets. What we decided to do was to bring out the big paint sprayer. And the reason for this is that the little paint sprayer required us to water down the primer. It wasn't adhering well, and there was stains showing through the primer from old grease stains. Even though we cleaned them up, we were getting grease stains, so we decided to bring out the big primer. Way better. And then we've got Jessica working on doors. Say hi, Jess. Hello. We've got Jessica working on doors. So what she's doing is she's installing all the doors. And what we're using, quick install brackets, which have really been helping out. It only takes one person to install a door. Instead of 2 people, it only takes 10 minutes versus an hour. So it's really good, especially because we are unskilled workers. They make the job so much easier. It adds an extra like $5 to $8 per door, but it's way worth it. And then we got Glenn back here. Glenn's installing the cabinet shelving that I cut. And I'm sure that he wants me to put this disclaimer in there. I was cutting these at like 1 a.m. in the morning, and there's a couple that are a little short, so Glenn didn't cut them short. So if you ever come over our house and you put your coat in our coat closet and you're like, hey, this shelf is cut a half an inch short, that was my fault, not Glenn's. Just throwing that out there. So we've got primer, we've got doors, we've got closets going in today. We are crushing it as far as timing goes, and we'll keep you posted on progress. One sad thing is that Albus, while we were on vacation, one of the leaves died, which was really sad. I think he was a little underwater. We were trying to err on the side of less water because he was overwatered. So Albus got a little bit of a haircut. We've got another surprise coming for you in about a week, but more updates until then. You have a great one. We'll catch you later. Bye.